what actually happened inside and out of the car wash. And more importantly, can three buses really clean an entire vehicle safely and effectively? If you are a gas station owner, garage operator, parking facility manager, or investor considering an out-of-the-car wash, you have probably asked yourself this question. Because before investing, you don't just want to know what the machine does. You want to know how it works and whether your customer will be satisfied with the result. Let's walk through the process. The moment a vehicle enters the Go&Go out-of-the-car wash system, the driver simply positions the car according to the guide. Intelligent sensors detect the vehicle position and automatically start the wash cycle. Everything is designed to make the process simple, fast, and consistent without relying on complicated manual operation. The first day, a high-pressure pre-wash, powerful water jets remove loose dirt, sand, mud, and road debris before any bird touches the vehicle. This step is extremely important because it helps protect the paint by washing away abrasive particles that could otherwise drag across the surface. Next, the system applies a layer of grease cleaning foam evenly over the entire vehicle. The foam begins to break down grease, dirt, and road film, making it much easier for the brushes to remove stubborn dirt without excessive pressure. Now come to the heart of the system, the three-brush cleaning process. Two vertical soft brushes move along both sides of the vehicle, cleaning the door, fender, mirror, and side panel with gentle, controlled pressure. At the same time, one large horizontal brush travels smoothly across the roof, windshield, rear window, hood, and trunk, answering every major surface is cleaning evenly. These are not the hard brushes people remember from decades ago. Go&Go used commercial-grade soft brushes specifically designed to clean thoroughly while protecting modern automotive paint finish. The brush movement, rotation speed, and pressure are carefully controlled to provide consistent cleaning performance on every vehicle. The result is professional quality, wash that looks the same whether it's the first customer of the day or the last. For business owner, consistency is everything. Unlike manual washing, where quality depends on experience or energy of its employee, the Go&Go system delivers the same washing process every time. That means fewer customer complaints, higher customer satisfaction, and more repeat business. Another major advantage is productivity. While the machines perform the washing process, one operator can supervise the system instead of physically washing every vehicle. This reduces labor dependence, improve efficiency, and allow you to serve more customers throughout the day. Whether you are adding a car wash to gas station, an automotive workshop, a dealership, or a parking facility, the three-brush system provides a perfect balance between cleaning performance, operating efficiency, and customer experience. If you're thinking about investing, don't rely on video alone. Visit Go&Go for a live demonstration and watch the complex three-brush washing process with your own eyes. See how the machine works, expect the result, and let our experts help you determine whether it is the right solution for your business. Because when customers see a clean car, they remember the service. When investors see an efficient system, they see opportunity.